Putting is the one part of the game where you can learn to score just as well as the pros that you see on television. Today, you're going to learn some simple, essential elements that will help you knock at least 5 shots off your score. One of the most common mistakes that many amateur golfers make with their putting is they tend to decelerate or slow the club head down at impact. Here's a simple way to make sure you're always accelerating the club head through the ball. Use the width of your feet as the length of the stroke, and make sure you never go outside your back foot. In other words, if you start with your feet shoulder width, you want to swing the club to your back foot and then forward. If you have a short putt, narrow your feet. If you have a longer putt, widen your feet. But by using the width of your stance as the length of your stroke, it ensures that you'll always accelerate the putter head through the ball, keeping it on line longer, especially on shorter putts. You can stand however width you like, but make sure you never go outside your back foot. I hope these simple tips will help you see instant results that'll help you take your game to a whole new level. Thanks for watching. Before you go, make sure you check out one of our other videos. We'll look forward to bringing you some more instruction tips shortly, and make sure you subscribe. And a thumbs up is always appreciated.